Blessing the First, and I represent the Great Obedient Movement worldwide. And we're here to speak through to our democracy. I think it's time for the Nigerian youth to allow the government to face what is going on. What is going on right now is about insecurity in Nigeria. And if everybody wants to be the police that wants to be guiding the people, it will not work. The only way it will work, allow the government apparatus for security deal with bandits. If you keep talking trash, the bandits will keep growing bigger. The government is working, we know, and we know that insurgency is not going to be a thing of one day. This Ahmed Bola Tinubu administration at a time inherited a country in comatose. So if we don't allow him concentrate and fix Nigeria, we'll continue to have the same problem ahead of 2027. But for me, I'll tell you, 2027 is a year of reformation. 2027 is a year where Nigerian youth will stand strong and face fact the way it is. We will come out, we will register for our votes, we'll register to get our voters card. On election day, we will come out and we will prove that the Nigerian people and the Nigerian youth are solidly on ground.
We are aware, you are all aware that in time past, 3 years ago, the Tinubu administration came into power and they inherited a lot of issues in the country. And so many people are being against the government. We are aware. We are aware of what is going on. We are aware that there is insecurity in the country. We are aware that there is suffering in the country. But we are gathered here today to tell Nigerians that it is just for a moment. The government is building. And when you're building, it's not easy to build. The government is on their feet, trying to see how insecurity can end. The service chiefs are not resting. The chief of defense staff is not resting. The minister of defense is not resting. They all have the targets. Again, Nigeria will be great. We are very, very aware. The president came in, he has taken very strong decisions that people could not take. He has taken those decisions for the betterment of Nigerians. We have to exercise patience for the government. Tinubu means very well for Nigeria. Yes. The people he has appointed as ministers, the service chiefs, they all mean well for Nigerians. We sympathize with our colleagues, Nigerians, that have lost their people in the course of this movement. We are aware that people are kidnapped, our children are kidnapped, mothers, fathers are kidnapped. But we know that in no fewer time, all these things will be a thing of a past. The government are their feet. Just yesterday, the National Assembly has assented to the aspirations of the IG of police that we should have state policing. These are one of the things that the government is doing. They are not relenting. So we don't want to scatter our country by solving it. We have to be united to solve Nigeria's problem. We don't want to follow people that are trying to segregate and cause more confusion in the lives and existence of Nigerians. We are here to preach unity. Until we are united, we cannot solve our problems. Right. The bandits are our problem. Nobody is our problem. The bandits are our problem. We're also using this opportunity to call upon them. They should desist from what they are doing because the administration is very prepared to fight them. And that's why we are here. To support the Tinubu administration is reforms are very, very laudable. In all strata, he will get it right. We sympathize with the family. Some of us here are also part of the same process. Nobody is safe in our country. What we are saying is that I don't think it is not true that the government is not doing anything about it. It is a process. It is not magic. Don't forget that innocent people are kidnapped. So if you are moving a motion that they should be killed, what about the people that are kidnapped? How do we rescue them? So it is not strategic. It's not something where you say, just go and kill bandits. Bandits are arrested, our children, our mothers, our fathers. So do you just move into where bandits are and kill everybody? No. The answer is no. So we should give the government a chance. They are working on it. It's an intelligent job. It's not a roadside mechanic work. It has its own methodology of achieving it. And I know that the government are on it. So what you're saying is what everybody is feeling in the country. Both the rich, the poor, everybody is feeling it. The hardship. But I can tell you that it is because the government is threatening. You can only destroy easily. To build is not easy. Yes. So we must join hands. We must support our governments to make sure that they get it right. And that's what we are doing. It's not as if the government does not have where they are erring. But we must be constructive
in
criticizing government endeavors, so that we don't throw away the child and the bathwater together. And that's why we are here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
All right.
My name is Ambassador Dr. Duke. I'm the national leader, Nigerian Youth Organization, and I'm the CEO, Green Assembly Initiative. Thank you very much.